we'll guide you through how to deploy your project on Vercel Hosting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up quickly using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Vercel dashboard. Here, you'll see a button that says New Project. Click on this button to get started with deploying a new project. Vercel will automatically list all your repositories from the connected Git account. Choose the repository you want to deploy by clicking on the Import button next to it. Now, Vercel will guide you through the setup process. You'll be asked to configure some settings like the root directory, build and development commands, and environment variables. If your project is a next.js app, Vercel will automatically detect and configure it for you, which is super convenient. Otherwise, you'll need to specify the build command and the output directory. After configuring these settings, click on Deploy. Vercel will then start the deployment process, which you can monitor in real time. Once the deployment is complete, you'll get a live URL where your project is hosted. You can click on this URL to view your deployed site immediately. One of the great features of Vercel is its seamless integration with Git. Every time you push a new commit to your repository, Vercel will automatically build and deploy the changes, making continuous deployment a breeze. And that's it. You have successfully deployed your project on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.